Guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this Hug Me AI filter on TikTok. Okay, so this is the effect. To get this effect on TikTok, what you can do, just go to the effect gallery. Okay, in trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section, what you can do, tap on the search button and search for Hug Me. Okay, the second one with 2.5 million videos. This is the effect. Just tap on it. Okay, you got the filter. You need to browse a picture from your camera roll. Okay, anyway, suppose you are not finding the filter like this from the trending section. What you can do, go to your For You page. Okay, and here search for Hug Me filter. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. You can tap there to use the effect. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then you can tap on any of this video. Okay, as you can see on the bottom left corner of the video, the effect name is there. It's in yellow. Just tap there. You will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen and you can get the effect. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect either way, what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. Okay, so here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, and you will be directed to the effect page again. Wait for it. Okay, just tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, that's it. You got the filter. Now you need to browse the picture from your camera roll. Okay, let's go. Okay, let me go with this one. Okay, now it will take around 5 minutes and then you can get the effect. Okay, you can tap on continue generate in draft. Okay, later you can go to your draft and you can see this. Okay, so thanks for watching the video, guys. See you in the next video.